Wanting to get festive this February? Feel the love this Valentine's Day with these sweet decor ideas. Start by grabbing 3 wooden hearts from your local craft store and paint them with craft paint. Next, choose a saying to put on your heart and paint it on. I used my Cricut to create my stencil, but you could also freehand or purchase a pre-made stencil. After that, hot glue your hearts to a wooden dowel. Finally, add a floral disc to a planter, add some ivy, flowers, or other faux plants. This little topiary is such a cute, cheerful addition to my living room. It would also look great on a front porch. Looking to spruce up some shelves or a table? Try this! First, grab a pink bucket and some floral foam. Start by cutting the foam to fit the bucket. Next, grab a wooden dowel and cut it to size. I wanted to have 3 in various sizes, but you could also purchase the dowels pre-cut. After that, grab a foam ball and press the dowel into it. This will create the top. Next, place the top into the foam and paint the circle pink. This is to cover up any gaps. After that, grab a box of conversation hearts and glue them to the ball. You can purchase a large bag of these on Amazon. After the hearts have been glued, grab some ribbon and hot glue it to the dowel. The hearts may make the top of the topiary heavy. To stabilize it, pull out the foam and add river rocks to the bottom to add some weight. Next, decorate the base and add a bow. Finally, seal the top using a finishing spray. This will seal the candy so it doesn't attract bugs. These little topiaries are the perfect Valentine's Day accent to my living room. Begin by cutting out small styrofoam hearts using a cookie cutter. Next, using a butter knife, cut out 6 big hearts out of a thicker piece of styrofoam. Next, I divided up my small hearts and separated my big hearts into 3 groups, spray painting each group of hearts a different color. After the backs of my hearts were completely dry, I flipped them over and added alphabet stickers to create words and phrases for my conversation hearts. Then, I spray painted the front. After the hearts were dry, I removed the alphabet stickers to reveal my phrases. Next, I inserted a styrofoam round piece into a planter. After that, I inserted 3 of my big hearts, 1 of each color, onto a wooden dowel. Then, I inserted the dowel into the styrofoam that was in the planter. After that, I added flowers to the bottom of the planter as well. Then, I inserted the smaller hearts in with the flowers. And that's it! These topiaries are such a sweet way to brighten up your porch this February. I hope this inspires you to decorate your home this Valentine's Day. See you in my next video!
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.